Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Ahmed, and in this video, I will help you understand the fire pump room and the equipment inside, such as diesel pump, jockey pump, ball valve, butterfly valve, fire department connection, collector, manifold. Stay tuned until the end to learn about the role of each piece of equipment and how it works. First, the pump draws water from the water tank, which serves as the primary water source for the fire system. To ensure safety and control the flow, a gate valve with a 6-inch diameter is installed between the tank and the pump. Water tank stores an adequate amount of water to meet the fire system's needs. Gate valve allows control of the water flow between the tank and the pump and can be closed during maintenance. This is a detailed image showing the connection between the tank and the pump. In case you're wondering about the ball valve next to the gate valve, it is the water tank discharge valve or the water tank check and control valve. Small blue diamond water tank discharge valve, used to discharge excess water from the tank or to ensure the tank is functioning efficiently. After the pump draws water from the water tank, it pumps it into the main collector, which is the central distribution point in the system. The main collector is an essential part of the fire system or water systems in general. It acts as the primary distribution point for water pumped from the tank by the pump. The collector's role is to divide the water flow into multiple lines, directing the water to various systems, such as fire suppression systems, cooling systems, or any other system requiring water in case of emergency. Importance of the collector: improves water distribution to all systems. Ensures effective water delivery to all critical points in the system. Provides centralized control over the water flow, making maintenance and monitoring easier. This is the design of the collector that will distribute water to all the systems. In this project, there is a line for fire tanks inside the factory, along with a line of 4 hydrants at the corner of the factory. In summary, this collector will feed 2 systems simultaneously: the fire tank system inside the factory, the hydrant system, which provides water to various points in the factory to ensure the safety of equipment and personnel. Thus, the collector ensures efficient water distribution to all designated areas within the factory, enhancing the overall effectiveness of the system. This collector has 4 outlets, and a viewable butterfly valve must be placed above each outlet. Small blue diamond: the butterfly valve is a type of valve used to regulate water flow in systems. This valve allows for easy and effective control of water flow, as it can be opened or closed easily using a handle. Small blue diamond viewable feature: this type of valve features indicators or devices that can be monitored, such as meters or gauges that allow operators to track the water flow accurately and efficiently. Small blue diamond function of the viewable butterfly valve: by placing this valve above each outlet of the collector, flow monitoring can be carried out, and adjustments or maintenance can be made when necessary, ensuring the system operates efficiently and increasing safety levels. Additionally, there is a line connected to the collector leading to the connection point, Siyam Bağlantı Ağzı. Small blue diamond: the connection point, Siyam Bağlantı Ağzı, is a connection used to link the collector to other systems or connect external equipment, such as additional pumps or other fire suppression systems. Small blue diamond function of the connection point: the connection point ensures effective water distribution to other systems and plays an important role in maintaining continuous operation between different systems. Small blue diamond additional function: in case of fire: in the event of a fire, the fire truck can connect to the Siyam Bağlantı Ağzı to draw water directly from the collector, enabling it to provide water quickly and efficiently during firefighting operations. Small blue diamond applications: this connection point may be linked to an additional fire suppression system, a backup water system, or an emergency line, allowing for system expansion and ensuring water availability when needed at any point. The exhaust line refers to the smoke produced by the diesel pump, and a steel pipe is extended to the outside to ensure the safe flow of smoke away from the building or the area where the pump operates. Small blue diamond function of the exhaust line: this line helps in exhausting the gases produced by the diesel combustion during pump operation, reducing the buildup of toxic fumes inside the facility and ensuring clean air in the area. Small blue diamond safety valve. A safety valve must be installed in the exhaust line to regulate the gas pressure being released, protecting the system from excess pressure that could cause damage to the equipment or leaks of harmful gases. Small blue diamond steel pipe extension. The steel pipe should be carefully extended to prevent any blockages or issues with the exhaust flow. Additionally, the pipe should be directed away from any heat sources or flammable materials. Small blue diamond testing and maintenance. It is crucial to conduct regular testing to ensure the exhaust pipe functions efficiently without leaks, and the safety valves and pipes should be checked periodically to avoid accidents. Thank you for listening to the video. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to stay updated. Feel free to contact me if you have any work or projects that you need assistance with. Wishing you a great day.